What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Shopify, and I'm gonna teach you how to add an announcement bar to your Shopify store, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's hop on to the process. You can have only one announcement bar section in your theme, but you can add up to 12 announcement blocks to your announcement bar. If your screen is wider than 1600 pixels, then your customization and editing options display on the right side of your screen. If your screen is smaller than 1600 pixels, then the display will be on the left side. So those are quick disclaimers. So how to actually add an announcement bar? So from online store, go to the themes, then after it click customize next to the theme that you want to customize. In the announcement bar section, click add announcement. So as you can see over here, when you go to online store and select themes, when you go to the customize option over here, what you need to do is select the announcement bar, as you can see, which is up here. So from there on, in the text field, enter your announcement text, and optional is click on the link field and then do one of the following. Either enter the URL to direct your customers to a specific location, or use the drop down menu to select a page from your online store and just simply press save. So you can also edit an announcement bars, so you can use from style, function and animation. So quite a helpful feature. So let's repeat the process once more. So when you are on your home page, go to the online store in the left side of the screen. After it, press on the themes, and in the theme you want to add an announcement bar, just press customize and select the announcement bar and just enter whatever you wish to add. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.